Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, USB connection, electronic stability control, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.